Why is an editor helpful to a producer? Because they complete the project. A producer goes through pre-production. Then they spend a lot of money on production. And for that to be worth it, it has to be edited into something. A producer is often either the person that has the final word on something or is communicating with the person who has the final word on it. You can use all your creativity as a director, all your creativity as an editor, but at the end of the day, if the producer wants something, that's what you have to do. If you're working with the client, maybe the producer is talking to the client and knows exactly what they're looking for. The producer can talk to the client and get additional details or revision notes. And a producer usually has a good eye for video. When they make revisions and ask you to change something, they may not even know how to word it correctly, but they just sense something is wrong. Something could be better. Take their notes, try it out. If it doesn't work, let them know why specifically. Tell them that you tried it out and it didn't work, or show them a version that doesn't work, if that's appropriate. I find that producers are great communicators, even if they're not very technical. They can tell you something is off or something looks weird, but they may not know how to change it. But that's why they need you. You know how to change it. Learn to work with producers and listen to what they're saying to get the essence of what they're saying, even if how they're saying it is weird. They need you, but you also need them because they're bringing everything together.